So I was sent a tire inflator that is super portable air compressor. This is a DC 12 volt and the size of this is pretty amazing. So this is great for cars, for balls, for inflatable items. It has a setting for bicycles. This way it won't overinflate. It can do motorcycles. Anything that needs air compressor, it can handle the job. It's powered by the 12 volt DC corded cigarette lighter attachment that attaches to the cigarette lighter attachment to the car. What's cool about it is it has a large, easy to see, clear digital display, simple control that lets you adjust PCIs on the setting, and once it reaches PCI, it auto shuts off. So it's pretty much a hassle-free, risk-free of overinflation. You know you're gonna get an accurate reading every time on each tire, which could be pretty confusing if you're using a separate tire gauge. Now, it comes with a nice little bag, so everything that's included in it, all the attachments needed for balls, which is the needle, the 2 cones, it comes with an extra fuse, and it comes with another attachment to put on different kind of nozzles. The attachment screws in on the top, and what's super convenient is that it has a built-in LED light that ensures that if you're in any dark situation and need to inflate air, you can see what you're doing. No need for holding your cell phone with the flashlight. It's super convenient. I was pretty surprised about that one. And it gives you a real-time pressure reading. It has different readings, PSI, bar, KPA, and everything's included in this handy pack, and it's super compact. I mean, it's just put it in your car, forget that you have it, and when you need it, it's a great, easy way to use it. So this is a great mini, but powerful size and super user-friendly air compressor for the house and car.